Well, it started out nice and sunny this morning. Now it's getting windy. Looks like it's about to pucker up and rain. Hopefully that doesn't make me change my plans for today. Saturday morning, heading to the scrapyard. I had some interesting comments about my channel here recently when I was made my 30,000 subscriber information video about the number of my views going down, and some real interesting comments talking about maybe YouTube is trying to put a damper on dumpster diving and that kind of stuff because it's dangerous. I actually have to agree with that because they're talking about people taking food out of the dumpsters and donating it to food banks and homeless people, and I've always thought that's just insane. Since the first time I saw it on YouTube, I simply couldn't believe it. So I don't know if that's true or not. I know a few times I've seen like 1,500 views just literally disappear from one of my videos. And other times, here lately, when I publish a video, I'll get like 800, 1,000, up to 1,100 views in the first 60 minutes. And it'll rock and roll for a couple hours, and then it'll just freeze and stop for like 3, 4, 5 hours. I won't get a single view. YouTube says that that's an issue where they're counting real views and quality views, and that could be, but there could be something else going on too. I literally saw 1,500 views just instantly disappear from one of my videos after it had been published for a few hours, 6, 7 hours. But it's kind of odd. I don't know exactly what's going on, but I'd have to actually agree with YouTube getting rid of dumpster diving videos. If people are taking food out of the dumpster and giving it to people, I have to agree with that. So anyways, I'm making a scrapyard video here, and I'm starting another channel. I'm starting a third channel. My VidVulture channel is brand new. I'm starting a third one. I've been planning it for months. I have to have a backup plan just in case, you know. I can't get along with having 4 and 5 and 6,000, 7,000 views, even 8,000 views on a channel that's got 30,000 subscribers. You know, if those numbers are going to keep even going down, I have to plan for something else. And I've been planning this other channel. I tried a top 500 channel where I was going to do stories about how Fortune 500 companies were founded, but that's editing and time intensive, sitting indoors. It would be good for maybe the winter, but I'm more of an outdoor person, action style stuff. So I have this new channel. I'll put it down in the description if you want to check it out. It's called What's Under Here. And the first video I made yesterday, it's exciting. I ran into a couple snakes. I wasn't trying to make the video. I wasn't going to make the first videos for another week or two, but it's exactly what I want to do. I'm going to go around looking under old logs and in creeks and under rocks, and I've got some stuff set up in the woods that I put there a few months ago. Flat stuff where stuff will get under it. Basically, we're looking for critters, and I know people like critters. So if you got kids or something, it might be real enjoyable for them. The link's down in the description. I just published my first video about them snakes. Anyways, let's get to the scrapyard. Saturday is a real busy day at the scrapyard. For years and years and years, Saturday would be the only day they're open. I gotta make sure these people know that I'm not cutting in line. Friendly wave. Don't freak out on me. But like I said, I don't know for sure if YouTube's doing that or not. I don't know if that's why they're doing it, but I should be prepared. I should be prepared for something like that to happen. One thing I know for sure is that my views are way down, and my videos are freezing for a long time, and I'm seeing big numbers of views just literally disappear. So I had found this earlier. That's a silver roadkill species of farkle. For those of you that don't know what farkles are, I'll put the info down in the description. The Great Farkle Challenge of 2019. I'm giving away money if you want to go read about that. New Year's Eve. Had to fill up with some gas. Figured I'd peek in a dumpster or two on the way here. Laptop action. Sitting right back there. What do you think about that? If you sell something like this, instead of scrapping it, you always want to make sure you take the hard drive out and don't give people's information away. There's someone's tax booklet sitting in there, so always do that. Let's have a look at that laptop a little closer here. Windows 7. Compact action. Oh, there it is right there. Compact Presario CQ57439WM. It's not a bad laptop. Like I say, make sure you get the hard drives out of there. You don't want to be giving people's stuff away. So there's actually a lot of reasons why YouTube could start to frown on dumpster diving. You know what I mean? It's understandable for sure. So I don't know, like I say, I don't know if that's going on or not, but it's always good to be prepared with another channel or two. Gas bill for the week. That might be eye-opening. These things are super dangerous to drive on the road though. Put that with this mess. That's just in the last couple days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Speaking of messes. Look how windy it is. See how busy this place gets. Sometimes cars hanging out into the highway. Gotta start parking over here and stuff. I'm just gonna dump this. I don't know how many loads I'm gonna bring in yet. Well, that little harmless looking cloud has gotten bigger and he has friends joining him. I might just have to take this load in and call it quits. Came back for a 4th load. It's just a little one, but started raining there for a second. I think I'm gonna be okay. Park over here today, stay out of everyone's way. I got my 4 loads over there. Interesting situation going on here. Right, I mean, just was it 40 or 50 feet from the scrapyard? See what we can yank out of here real quick. Stainless steel, I think. Magnets on my bike. This just goes to show you how much junk is out here. Just literally across the driveway. No one's even coming across to get it. That might be it, actually. What else we got in here? Pieces of glass, that's no good. Oh, I thought that might have got better. Some may have already got a bunch of stuff out of here. Open somewhere, I know that. That's a nice little shelf, actually. That could be a nice little find for the right person. Little genies. There's nothing wrong with that. I might actually have to put those in the retail store. Those are nice. Well, one's nice. I suppose I could rob the shelf out of here. Like so. It's got a crack in it. Put it in there. Something like that. That's not bad. Anyways, let me get back to it. Oh, there's chunker. Think about that. I went up there and got some containers out of the scrapyard pile of containers, and I saw this tote, the kind of tote that I use, and I see those holes in there. This is one of my totes from like 6 or 7 years ago, maybe. That's been floating around this scrapyard for that many years. I used to just tie it with bungees directly to my motorcycle seat without my wood plank on the bottom. And for those of you that might remember, this is what would happen. The bungee cords over months and months would eventually rip out. See that? With the stress. And it would last maybe 6 months to a year, maybe, like that, and then it would start to get all wiggly. And then I put that board on the bottom and drilled holes through the board and bolted this to that board, and that's the only one like that I've ever made. Well, I made some for my bicycles, but every one I've ever made I'm still using. Oh, that one's getting kind of wiggly. I should replace it, but it's just the kind of product it is. It's just, I trashed it 7 years ago, and they're still using it to put scrap metal in a scrapyard. Yeah, let's get to it. I've got it all sorted out. This is gonna be my tin shred. This little pile here. Over here I've got some short steel. Over here I've got some aluminum breakage, various items of that. Over here I've got my aluminum. Look at this umbrella, patio umbrella I brought in. It's actually got LED lights. I've never scrapped one like that before. That's pretty cool. That was probably a nice umbrella once upon a time. And then I got a nice tote of aluminum here. Number 2 insulated copper wire. Nice little bucket. Stainless steel items. A little bucket of cans. And I got some garbage in here along with some gold plated stuff. I'll send a board sort one day. Just gold plated pins and whatnot. And a super ball I found. That's gonna be it. So what's gonna happen is he's gonna bring one of these yellow bins over here, and I'm gonna throw all this tin in there real quick, and then he'll bring out a pallet, and I'll put all these other things on a pallet, and then he'll take the pallet up to the scale. Some dude walked up behind me and brought in some copper. That's a nice little bucket. Might be 100 pounds of copper sitting there. You can see how busy this place on Saturday though. No one has to work or anything, so it's a good day to come in. Whole trailer full of aluminum siding and stuff. This scrapyard's a little different. Like this guy just walked up, parked over here and walked up on foot. They've got 2 lines here. One for trucks and then like foot traffic on. You can just walk up to the scale. I'm surprised he didn't just walk up there already. He's up at the scale right now asking him. So that's what that looks like. After this truck pulls out, he's gonna bring a yellow bin in here. I'm gonna throw the tin in there. He's gonna weigh it and come back for this. People will sit here for hours on Saturdays waiting in line. I suppose a lot of people, it's the only time they can go to the scrapyard though. If you want to check out my new Critters channel, links down in the description. Should be pretty good. Now I'm just gonna take a seat and wait. Think about that. Let's see what the tally was. Try to get out of this wind for you. Alrighty, had 27 pounds of aluminum breakage, 7 cents a pound. For $1.89. 26 pounds clean aluminum, 25 cents a pound for $6.50. 1 pound stainless steel, 25 cents a pound for 25 cents. Stainless and aluminum are the same price now. 9 pounds number 2 insulated copper, 60 cents a pound for $5.40. Total of $14.04. And then on the other ticket, this is the tin shred, the short steel, and one other item, not sure what that 70 cents is. $9.65 for a total of $23.70. 69 cents. They gave me 70 cents, but that's not bad. I guess that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the show, and as always, thanks for watching.